Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My _238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. It is Tuesday. So today my heart doctor's appointment. So we're running as usual. So we're leaving the hotel. So yeah, anyway, off to the hospital. And then I think we're gonna go to Apple Store to pick up the HomePod mini.
Woohoo!
So anyway, just mother-daughter time. No
Mother-daughter
visitors at the hospital. So yeah, anyway, we're off to the hospital. Look at that accident. Oh man. So the traffic jam right here. Wow. Look at that. Long traffic. Minute. So we have to get EKG for me. So yeah, wish me luck. And guess what? No mask requirements either at the hospital, even at my clinic back in Wichita. So yeah, mask free. Finish my EKG. Why not wait for my doctor to come to discuss? And I think we're done. So yeah. Well, the heart doctor's nurse is so nice. So anyway, my heart's doing great. I have a tiny blockage where the heart stops and it keeps going. So yeah, so overall it's doing great.
Yeah, you're doing really good.
So yeah. So here's what inside of a heart looks like is the electricity. So when it stops and I have to wait and then keep going. So yeah. Anyway, just a tiny blockage in my heart. So yeah, but I did explain to you. So yeah. Anyway, my heart is doing great, and right now I'm waiting for my heart doctor. I just talked to the nurse practitioner. So mom, it is not a blockage. Can you?
It's not a blockage. It's like an electrical part of the electrical current in the heart. And it starts going down and just pauses for a minute and then it keeps going. It's part of the beating and how it goes. I don't know how to explain it exactly either, but it's the electrical stuff of the heart.
Yeah, so it's electrical stuff in the heart. So anyway, I'm waiting for the doctor. I just talked to the nurse practitioner. And yeah, just got done seeing a heart doctor. So my heart is doing really well. Nothing changes. So yeah, what do you think?
I think it's great. Good news.
So yeah, they're gonna see the heart doctor in 6 months, and so it's the AFib doctor and the echo and stuff. Yeah, it is going to be a very, very long appointment. So anyway, I apologize for stopping the recording abruptly because the nurses wanted us to set up the appointment here. So anyway, my appointment is good. Here's all the papers which I can show you. But this is all the medical stuff that's in the papers. So anyway, great appointment. What do you think?
So it was a really good appointment.
So next 6 months will be a very, very, very long appointment. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
So echo, me seeing the 2 doctors. Oh boy, it's gonna be a long day. We did get our parking validated. So we have to talk to one of the nurses to help us get validated. So, oh boy, we gotta get validated. Alright guys, we're at the Country Club Plaza. Not too far from the hospital, do we?
Not very far at all.
Yeah, so anyway, first stop is the Apple Store because we're picking up HomePod minis, which we're most excited about. So yeah, here we go guys. Chiefs, guys, I'm the Super Bowl champion. Here we go, we're at the Apple Store. Let's go pick it up. Look at this. I have that brown.
Okay.
Purple. Look at that. Got my new HomePod, and also I got a battery pack, so no more Smitty. But guess what? They have a little iPhone 14. It's brand new. It just released it. So yeah, here's all the iPhone 14s and Pros. So yeah, I kind of like my phone. So yeah, this is the one. So yeah, got my HomePod minis and a battery pack. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. So to swing by the Whitey house to look for some cheap stuff. So yeah, look what I just found. This is a bracelet, but I believe I saw on Facebook, but I don't know. But look at that bracelet. Look at the colors. Look at that. I mean, it's just KC on it. So cool. So I'm having a Cheesecake Factory because I'm hungry and I haven't had food yet. So anyway, we're just heading out to Cheesecake Factory, me and my mom. So yeah, but anyway, about to order food. This one I'm going with shrimp with ginger ale. I'm also going with small portion. And also to bring it out bread. So yeah, we got bread and butter. Check out this other bread. It just came out of the oven. Look at this. So cool. Very fancy. Look at this, guys. So many cheesecakes to choose from. Oh, look at that. I kind of like chocolate, so pretty cool. Check it out, guys. I got a shrimp with angel hair, and my mom just got the Cajun lettuce taco.
Cajun chicken taco.
Yeah, Cajun chicken lettuce taco. So yeah. But anyway, time to have some dinner. Check it out, guys. I got a cherry cheesecake and this Hershey's cheesecake, which is right there, and my mom's cheesecake, which is right there. So anyway, my aunt just ordered it for us. Anyway, can't wait to eat those when I get back. We're back in the west side of Kansas City, and we're just talking about the stuff at the home today. Right now, we're just looking at a little bit at the legends, but apparently, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch, and it's all over Kansas City area until midnight. So I wanted to keep an eye on this weather just in case it goes back. We haven't had severe weather out of state for like another while. So yeah,
We'll be okay.
Yeah, we're just gotta keep an eye on this storm. But good thing Wichita doesn't get hit, so we're good. So it's in my Target, get some milk, and I believe we're gonna be heading back to the hotel because there's severe weather happening that's approaching Kansas City.
So we are going to be all right.
So yeah. I didn't notice they have a Switch tune on Wii Special Edition Nintendo Switch OLED model. Wow. Alright, back in the hotel room. I'm gonna get caught up on This Is How We Bring Up, and then maybe get set up on my mom's HomePod mini. So yeah. And also I'm watching It's On Live. Here he is. My mom's HomePod is all set up and it's ready to go. But I'm gonna set up mine when I get home. So yeah, look at this, guys. Well, guess what? I was looking at the sky. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning for Winona County until 10:15, but we get severe thunderstorm watch in Wichita. That's supposed to happen until 3 a.m. So for us, I think severe thunderstorm watch is happening until midnight. So yeah, but anyway, I think the storm is on the weekend. But if that happens, I'll let you know. But I know, guys, I gotta go ahead and wrap up the vlog. But to enjoy some cherry cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. So anyway, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up the vlog tomorrow. Gonna be heading home to Wichita, and guess what? We did avoid severe thunderstorm, but Wichita is still getting some thunderstorms. So hopefully, if Wichita gets severe weather, so yeah. But anyway, tomorrow's a new day. It's gonna be sunny for a drive home to Wichita. So yeah. But anyway, I gotta go ahead and start wrapping up the vlog because I gotta enjoy some cheesecake, and after that, I gotta edit the vlog. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventure is right to be. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.